Hello all, I am Pandya. We are here to discuss History, Class 12, First Lesson, Bricks, Beads and Bones. It is all about the Harappan Civilization. Before we start our discussion, just imagine once you are about to shift your house in a couple of days. So you started packing all your things. In that process, you found a few old pens, pencils, some ID cards which you used in your schooling, some notebooks, textbooks, and some old bags. At the time, one of your friends came to you to help you out, and he started asking questions about all those. Hey, when did you use these kind of pens? Let me know. Hey, in which class you used this ID card? What about these old bags? When did you use? Etc. etc. kind of questions he asked. So here you have a perfect answer to each and every question he posed. How can you answer to all those questions? Just because of one thing. That is, you know about the chronology of all those. So, what is mean by chronology? Chronology is a science of arranging events in their order according to its occurrence. So, here, if you apply the same chronology to all those things which you found out, you know exactly in which year you used all those. In the same way, when archaeologists unearth some things, we need to find out exactly in which period it was used. So, for all this, there should be a dating system. So, we are commonly following some dating system. You must be knowing about all this. The first thing is that BP, before present, and BCE, before Common Era. And from first century onwards, it is known as CE, also known as Common Era. And especially in our class 12 textbook, you can see sometimes C dot. C dot stands circa. It is a Latin term and it means approximate. So many a times you heard the word civilization, like Harappan civilization, Mayan civilization, or the Mesopotamian civilization, etc. What does civilization mean? Civilization is a process by which a society reaches an advanced stage of social and cultural development, or else it is the way of life of a particular area people or their culture, and it's all about their society. Here, let me give you a small example. Our Indian society is also having this civilization. Indian civilization had its past, its present, and its future too. In future also this civilization will get continuous. People are not permanent in the society, but society is permanent, right? So why? Because people will be replaced. So here what is happening is this civilization continuously it runs. But whenever some problem occurs, whenever some natural calamities occurs, whenever some accidents occur, there is a problem to this civilization. So here our discussion is about the Harappan civilization. As you know, this Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. Let me ask a small question here. Why you need to discuss, you need to know about this Harappan civilization. What is the speciality of this Harappan civilization? What is the greatness of this Harappan civilization? Harappan civilization is the first urban civilization in our India, and many things are there which are so special about this Harappan civilization. One among all those is baked bricks. Imagine once thousands of years back they used baked bricks, and they used to have an underground drainage system. And some surveys are saying they used to use flushed toilet system, and their craftsmanship skills are extraordinary. And they used to have these step wells. Wells used to have steps so that people comfortably can go into that well, can also bring water. Including this, whenever they are exporting something or importing, they used to maintain some seals on it, which is very easy to recognize from where it has come, to whom they are sending, etc. details. And the architecture, very planned architecture it is. Including this, their measurement techniques. You can see in Harappan civilization, all the bricks used to have same size, same dimension, same weight. How it can be possible? Because they used to use some unique measurement techniques. All these things are making Harappan civilization is a wonderful civilization. So we need to know about this Harappan civilization. And here the question is, the Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization we discussed. But why it is known as Indus Valley civilization? Look at this map, you will understand why it is known as Indus Valley civilization. All these sites are situated near to the Indus River, Indus Valley. So, this particular civilization is known as Indus Valley civilization. And here you need to understand the role of archaeology and archaeologists. What is meant by archaeology? Archaeology is a study of human activity through the recovery and analysis of material culture. What is meant by material culture? And here let us take an example. You have some photos, notebooks, and some trophies related to your 10th class. Those are all saying about your history, what you have done in your 10th class. At least it reveals some stories related to your 10th class. So these are all material things. So according to our history, these are all known as material culture. In the same way, archaeologists are also finding some details about this Harappan civilization through some artifacts, architecture, biofacts, and ecofacts. Then, what are all these? Artifacts are things which were available in that particular geographical area, and those are all related to one particular period. And their architecture, the ruins of the buildings, or wells, baked bricks, drainage system. These are all saying the story of Harappa. And biofacts are also there. What type of seeds they used, what type of plants they used to produce, and what type of crops they produced, etc. All these plant leftovers are giving some details about this Harappan civilization. In such a way, many evidences are there. Those are all were identified by archaeologists. So these archaeologists kept a common word to all the things which were available in that one particular geographical area related to one particular time period and were also very unique. The term is that culture. And here you can see a picture of these Harappan sites. These Harappan sites you can see here were divided into three periods. First thing is that the Harappan period. Second thing is that the mature Harappan period. Third thing is that the later Harappan period. So this is very important for the board exam. And I repeat, Harappan civilization was divided into three time periods. The first thing is that the Harappan period. Second thing is that the mature Harappan period. Third thing is that the later Harappan period. In our video, we discussed about the Harappan civilization and the types of civilization in it, the role of archaeologists, what is meant by culture you understood, what is meant by civilization you understood, including this, what is the importance of chronology in our history you understood. In our further video, we will try to discuss in detail about this.